My name is Jan Aslan. I'm the project director for AARP Foundation Work Search. We have probably 60 to 70% female. They have knowledge, they have work ethic, they have life skills, but without technology and a really good sense of the computer in general, they're not going to find employment even on a part-time basis. We try to bring them into our program if they are eligible, and we give them training. I can tell you a funny story about one of my staff, Patricia Fletcher. When she came to me, she'd never typed. She had no computer training. She had spent her life working as a daycare person. She had this wonderful enthusiasm and an openness to learn, and she had such a kindness about her, the way she dealt with people. So after she'd been with me for a while, I decided that I'd send her to New Directions.
My name is Patricia Fletcher, and I'm an employment specialist at AARP. When I got employed with Jan here at the office here, she was telling me about New Directions. And New Directions is a place where women in transition will be able to upgrade their skills. They got computer skills down there. I didn't want to go. Believe me, I didn't want to go. I was like, oh, I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. I'm not going to catch on. I felt that I wouldn't catch on.
An hour later, she came into my office and she said, you know, I've thought about this now, Jan. I'm on a roll here. I'm getting jobs for people. Maybe in the future I'll go to New Directions. And I said, okay. So she goes back into her office, and I think about it for a while, and I thought, I'm going to have to send her anyway. So I go into her office, and I said to her, Patricia, I've thought this over, and I'm rethinking this. I think you should go. So she looks at me in the same communication manner that she's accustomed to, and she says, now, Jan, you know we've talked about this, and I don't want to go.
She said, Patricia, you really need to do this. This is going to help you. And I kept hesitating. But then she convinced me to go ahead and do it. And when she did that, I thought everything just opened up for me. It was like, wow.
So after she had gone for a couple of weeks, you could scrape her off the wall. You talk about happy. She couldn't talk enough about what she was learning. You know, we just couldn't shut her up.
When I arrived at New Directions and the people there embraced me and showed me what I had to learn and not to be afraid of it. They actually sit down with you, they talk with you, they show you step by step. Actually, is there anything you need to know? Is there anything I can help you with? I believe it changed me. It kept me from not being fearful out there, because even though I'm 61, I still have a chance to go out there and find a decent job that will keep me until I retire. If I don't want to retire, I can work till I'm 70, you know, whatever.
Our motto is to change lives by getting employment for these people so they are self-sustaining. And New Directions, their motto is the same, really. I wish you could meet every one of these women. Sometimes I feel really humble in front of them, because they have persevered, they have raised their family, they're raising their grandchildren. They've always been there, the stable force in the community.
New Direction is a phenomenal organization that I believe that it will help to enhance a woman's ability to know who she is, what she needs to do for herself, and where she's going. That's the way I feel.